Hey, today we're going to be cleaning this hummingbird feeder. Look, this is why your hummingbirds won't come back, or they just disappear, because you can't have this kind of a mold build up on these things. So stick around and I'm going to show you how to get this clean and store it for the winter. Okay, let's take a look at this for a second before I show you what I used to clean it. This had been setting out side, and what happens if you don't clean it and put fresh hummingbird juice in here, it accumulate mold, and that's what's happened here. I already took the bottom off and cleaned that, but I'm going to show you how I clean this part. This is the most important part because of these little holes. This is where the hummingbirds get their juice. And I'll also tell you how we make our juice to attract hummingbirds. We didn't have a whole lot this year. I think it was because of the cicadas. And I'll show you the cicada video later. But anyway, let's get started on cleaning this thing up. Okay? Look, kind of nasty. Ooh, it's really gross. So stick with me and we're going to get it clean. Okay, this is what I use to clean the hummingbird feeders. Bleach, not a lot, just enough to get the mold off of the, I have an old brush. You can get these the Dollar Tree. And I also use some toothpicks sometimes. I mean, not toothpicks, Q-tips, and an old toothbrush. And if it's somebody you don't like around the house, you can use theirs. And I found this at the Dollar Tree, and I use it in the bathroom. This is a great brush for cleaning because it has two sides. So if you see this, guys, pick it up. It's the denture brush. You can find it in the toothpaste aisle at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so we're getting ready to get started on this, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just going to put some water in here. This piece comes off. I clean this, but it doesn't really matter too much. Put a little water. If I'm just cleaning one, I'm just going to put a tad. Just a tad of bleach. And I'm going to put a little drop of Dawn, just with some soap. One thing you have to make sure, hold up, you have to make sure that you rinse it real good before you store it for the winter. So we're just going to scrub it with this brush first. You could let it soak while you're doing something else. And I already cleaned probably about 6 of these. So here comes somebody else, and that's not my video, so I'm going to have to do a voiceover. So that's how it goes. I have to do a voiceover. Don't matter. Y'all probably can't hear me anyway because I don't have my microphone on. You done, Daddy? No. Okay. Alright, that's what I'm gonna clean this. You could also use one of those bottle washes, baby bottle washes.
Make a salad. So we can use that glaze when it goes completely bad.
So this was faded. That's why it looks like this, but it's actually clean. I didn't really have to use the toothbrush and Q-tip, but you can if you want to really. If you got a spot you can't really get into with the brush, like sometimes you see, I don't know if you can see that dirt just from cleaning these little holes. Yeah, see, hummingbirds don't like mold. Well, nobody does too. Or this is partially, it looks like dirt and mold, and it's probably a combination because you're dealing with sugar water, and that's what we use. And so you want to rinse it real good, bleach out. Let's see. And this one, the reason why this one is kind of crooked, see the lump? Somebody tried to put in some too hot of water, and that's what happened. So we clean the top. Like I said, this doesn't matter too much because it has nothing to do with the water. Anyway, that's how you keep your hummingbird feeders clean and ready to go next spring. All right, stay tuned for the next video of what I'm doing around the house and garden. Hope you enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one.